Hi guys! Today my sister is gonna mix pink and blue slime.
And my brother is gonna mix clear slime.
And at the end of the video, we're gonna mix them all together to create one big slime.
Yeah.
So, let's start with my sister.
Pink and blue. This is gonna take for a while. It's halabango.
Squish it. Squish and turn it like this.
And it's like what?
Like this. ASMR.
It's bubbling.
Because that's made of shaving cream.
Let's keep mixing until it's purple. It's so big now. Wait, I think it's...
Concentrate on mixing the slime.
I got distracted with the ingredients.
And toppings.
Yeah.
Don't just toss it like that. Squish it and roll it into a ball and flatten it like that.
Roll it. Oh, it's so purple.
It's lavender. Your predictions are like love.
It's so... Oh, wait a minute.
Wow.
I think it's the flour. It's
No.
the flour.
Bro, it's sticky.
Oh. Yeah. Kuya!
Yeah.
Now it's all purple and kuya turn.
So now we're gonna mix clear slime. I'm gonna mix clear slime.
Just toss it.
Okay. So, wow.
Wait, can I touch it?
Yes, you can. Yo, this is sweet.
It's so quick.
Oh my god, it's sticky. Oh no, not again.
It's so
Remember that
quick.
last video? Not again. It happened again. Kuya, please add more.
I found the crab.
Oh no. This
I
is too
found
much.
the crab.
This is
And
too
it
much
doesn't
glue.
have any color. Why?
Actually, this is too much glue. Bro.
I want to keep playing with it.
You see it?
It's so smelly.
Wait, I see a little strawberry.
Yeah. There's a little strawberry.
There's another one.
Ah, there's so many.
Oh wait. Let's mix it. Ready?
Wait, I'm not ready. Is steady.
Go. This is so cool.
Can I mix it?
Yes. No.
Bye-bye, little strawberry and lemon.
Okay, can I have it?
You mix it now. It's turning grayish. Oh,
It's so thick. Oh my god, stop it. Stop it. I thought you were mixing it.
I'm playing with a little slime here. And it will melt. Any minute now.
So guys, this is all for a video. Don't forget to comment down below.
No?
Like,
And subscribe.
Ulit. Dito. Tingin dyan.
So guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And share this video with others. Goodbye.
Bye.